Hey everybody, this is Troy, Roadside RC. We are out here today because our buddy Steven went ahead and got one of those Redcat 64 lowriders. So check this thing out. This is pretty cool. Faster than I expected it would be. Awesome. All right, so look at this controller that this thing comes with. So it has all of the buttons, all of the switches. So we have throttle and we have steering, so it can work like a regular RC car, which is pretty cool. All right, but then you have raising the rear as a switch, and you have each individual rear can come up and then drop it. It's pretty cool. And so then we can actually go like this, and look, three-wheel. So one up, one down. We are three-wheeling. We can raise it up even more. Look at this. So then this side over here does that, raising it up and down. If you reach it up, then you can drop the front, boop, 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 or over here, and then we can get it to hop. So if we raise the rear up, and then you could actually hop the front end like that. That is ridiculously cool. So then if we are tricky enough, you can hop. Oh, I got it to pause for a second. Ah! When you get the body off, this is what you then have. Look at that. So it is a tray that comes off that gives you your interior piece. Nickel metal battery that comes with it. It has two servos that look like they're just kind of like the standard 25 kg Hexfly servos, a 380 motor, the brushed ESC, and then there is that fancy Reefs RC for the front suspension, and then here's your steering controller. So battery and weights in the rear to help it actually keep stood up. Really interesting design. The tires really soft, a lot softer than I expected. This whole front assembly coming with this cantilever setup, so that you do have some suspension a little bit with the vehicle, but then also that it does the hopping. So pretty interesting design. You got to give it to Redcat for thinking of something different that nobody's ever done before.